Indonesia, NFM-E1080, automatic water-based and thermal lamination machine with chain knife. High-speed feeders suckers for lifting and suckers for conveying. Max can be reached 12000 PCS per hour. Conveying cable is brushed and press will make paper moving smoothly. Side for gauge make sure paper overlap precision less than or equal to positive or negative 2毫米. Dust remover device adopt single fitting roller remove dust from the surface of the paper. Gel light laminating post adopt double electromagnetic heating system 800毫米 diameter drying roller. Touch screen adopt remote control makes after sales more convenient. Gluing system Teflon treatment, easy to clean and non-sticky. Anti-curling device ensures that the paper does not curl after lamination. Chain knife slitting method specially suitable for PET film cutting. Automatic collecting device Max can collecting 1300毫米 height paper pad. The paper pad device ensures that the edges of the paper are neat and convenient for the next process.